Tell us why you keep coming back to King of the Strip.
Oh mate, it's just the crowds that it brings, and you just want to keep getting, you know, the car and yourself better each time.
What's the best thing about King of the Strip?
The bang bang skids.
The diesel drags and the burnouts.
Right on.
Just everyone behaving themselves and have a good time.
Lots of fast cars, the audience. My one least favourite thing is this rain currently, so hoping it holds out a little longer.
Alright, I'm keen with some skids later on though.
Oh man, it'll be that whole pad. They're going to do donuts and everything on it. It's going to be great, so pretty keen for that.
We're at Dobinson's King of the Strip 2024 at Benaraby Dragway. This event is awesome. I've missed out the last 4 times, but I'm here this year. I've had a blast. Today's been epic. I've met so many cool people. Thanks to everyone who said hi. I've seen some awesome cars. Unfortunately, we've had a slow start to the episode. I've been doing some filming on the track so far, but there was a bit of a delay. What happened was there was actually a bomb scare. The whole place had to get evacuated. So we were outside for 2 hours, maybe 3 hours I think it was. And we've come back in. The spirits are high. Everyone's keen for some racing. We've been let down with a bit of rain. It's stopped now. We're dry on the track. I think we're about to get back on the track for some racing. And later on there is some skids. So let's start rolling the camera and film some North Queensland shenanigans.
I don't know, it's one of the last good car events that aren't just so, I don't know, it's like old school. It feels like being at an old car event back in the day, you know?
Back in the day.
Back in the day.
What's your favourite thing about Dobinson's King of the Strip? Go.
Skids.
Skids.
Burn outcome. Yep.
So,
The people.
That's a good
the YouTubers,
Thanks, man.
the chunky travellers.
Dobinsons were kind enough to let me sell merch this weekend and to give back to the people, everyone that bought some merch. I've been doing a giveaway. So I've got some ToolPro Tools, polisher, ratchet and a soldering iron. And we'll pick out 3. So you can do it. Don't pick. You can pick out your own name here. Watch this.
Oh, that
Cookie,
feels
you
like
can grab
mine.
one for us too. Then I'll grab one.
That feels like my one.
All right. Yeah, don't lose your hand. We are.
It's definitely not mine.
Come on, come on. All right, and I'm gonna pick one out too. Because you guys have got big hands. All right, all right. I've got Louise,
I've got Hamish.
Jay Brown, and Hamish. I'm gonna give these guys a call. Thanks for supporting the Skid Factory. Thanks to everyone who bought some merch. It's been really good. I've now packed up because the rain's kind of coming, but we'll keep on going around, talk to some more crew. Thanks, dudes. Hey, brother, looks like you might need to clean your windscreen. Thanks, mate. How good's the peer pressure? That was insane. That was manual this morning, and now he swapped back out to the auto to do a skid. What a man, that was epic. Bumped into Dwayne, how you going, brother?
Hey, I'm alright, man.
And was it Shaka, was it?
Shaka.
Shaka. This thing's wild, man. Absolutely epic. Twin turbo 1UZ. How much power does this thing make, Shaka?
It's a secret. It's 800 plus horsepower.
It's a secret.
It's always 800 plus horsepower.
Dude, that skid was wild. Well done to you. And you swapped it back to auto, yeah?
Yeah, so we come here with a manual. Wanted to have a grudge race against the mate of ours, Pink Motorsport.
Yep.
We never got to because of the rain and all that.
Yeah.
So we thought we'll chuck the auto back in it, go do a cool skid, and hopefully everyone...
You done well, man. It's awesome. Good on you. Nice farm truck, dude. I love it. Well done to you. I'll see you next year, man, hey?
Yeah.
Cool.
Any time, we love it.
Thank-
Love it and passionate.
Thanks, Shaka. Cheers, man. Mate, couldn't have gone on to a better person. When you got 500 bucks. Hey. Here, into it again.
Oh, full on.
Couldn't have gone to a better person. You got furthest travelled, fastest filth garage, fastest petrol, and overall, mate, good on ya.
Yeah.
And
Never won anything in my life.
You're gonna have to upgrade the trophy cabinet, mate.
Yeah, we will.
Oh, go towards some repairs, man. Good on ya.
We'll be back next year.
Yeah, I'll see you here, mate. Cheers.
Bigger and better
That's
and faster.
it. There we go. Thanks, Bruce. Cheers, mate.
Cheers.
That was quite a series of events that unfolded at Benaraby Dragway over the weekend. I just want to give a massive shout out to all the Dobinsons crew and all the staff at Benaraby for putting on an awesome event. We arrived there on Friday night. I wanted to get there in the afternoon for the test and tune. We took the wagon up. It's not a four-wheel drive obviously, but it's a vehicle that best describes my brand. So we took it up. I wanted to get there on Friday afternoon for the test and tune. Unfortunately, my dumbass hit the car trailer, loading it on the car trailer, and I punctured a tyre. So that set us back. Better late than never. We got there at about 8 p.m. Friday night, and I was just straight away bombarded with a bunch of awesome people. I got straight into a lemon squash and hung out with some awesome crew on the Friday night. The Saturday rolled around and pretty well same thing. We jumped into Calliope for some coffees, and then when we came back, we started setting up the tent for sell merch all weekend, and I was just surrounded by such an awesome crew. Everyone's coming to say hi, checking out the Crown, talking to me about the channel. One of the best events and humble events that I've been to. It was great. I met so many awesome humans, and I was so busy being in the moment that I actually kind of forgot to film. There was so much going on, and then this whole scare thing happened. In a nutshell, basically what happened was someone phoned the Dragway and threatened that there was an explosive device planted on the property. So you can't deal with something like that as a joke. It has to be taken seriously. So everyone was evacuated from the premises. I actually got a bit scared myself. I didn't know what was going on. I was there with my fiance, and we jumped in the Crown wagon and we got out of there as soon as possible. The bomb squad was called. They came in and did a full sweep of the property to make sure that it was safe for everyone to come back in. And a testament to the event, there was thousands of people outside waiting for 3 hours to come back in. Like, you know, people could have gone away, but it's such a good event that everyone came back in and came in hard for the afternoon. When we got back in, it was on. There was so many people keen for some racing. Racing went until the rain happened, and then we got into the burnout comp, and there was shenanigans going on all night. These cars are wild. Here I am with a 700 horsepower Barra Crown. These guys are cruising around in that with a GQ Patrols. There's awesome diesel powered cars, Cummins, Duramax. People are like 4JJ swapping their Patrols. It was just awesome, the variety of cars that people are, the lengths these guys are going to with these four-wheel drives. It's not like they're not tourers anymore. They're on the verge of being drag cars. You know, yeah, these vehicles, the quality of cars that the crew are building in central Queensland, throughout Australia now, is awesome, and that was showcased at the weekend. I think moral of the story is get your ass to one of these events if you can. If there's one nearby and you can see this kind of thing going on, then definitely jump on board. I had an awesome time. I was camped next to the crew from Boost Gumps, Max and Rex and the whole fam. We had an awesome weekend, and I met so many awesome crew, and just want to say thank you to everyone who came and said hi. If you've met me at an event, I want to give you the most time as possible, and giving 10 minutes to each person as you came by, I really do love it. So thanks for saying hi. If you're keen to see some more coverage from the event, hit the YouTube search bar. Max from Boost Gumps was there making a video, and he told me he'll have one out this week. So check that one out. There's also the Chunky Travellers. I think they were making a video, and Dobinsons will have a highlights video out soon covering the whole event, which is definitely not going to be one to miss. So check those ones out. I'll leave a link in the description for those channels. I'm actually away the next couple of weeks for a family holiday with my fiance and the Grommy. So if you're going to be buying some merch, it's going to be put on hold to get posted for a couple of weeks. I'm not going to post videos. I've got some videos ready to go to post up, so stay tuned for those. The Patrol is almost ready. I'm aiming to get an episode done on that this week before I head away. But just again, want to say thanks to everyone that came to the event. Thank you to Dobinsons for putting on such an awesome crew, and all the volunteers at Benaraby, legends, staying around and making sure everyone's safe and sound. So that's it for this episode. The event coverage stuff doesn't really go like this. Usually I'm straight into getting an episode done, but this time round, I don't know, I was just in the moment. I had so much fun meeting crew that I forgot to film. So apologies for the lack of bang bang skeets, but thank you for watching, and I'll be back next week with some awesome content. in the Skid Factory. Enjoy the moment. I'll see you next time. Cheers.
I've got a personal shout out for Fabio, Gavin, Harris, Griffo, and Hugh Upshaw. Thank you for supporting the Skid Factory via Patreon. I hope to one day meet you all and maybe enjoy a lemon squash together. Thank you, legends. I'll see you next week.
What's your favourite thing about Dobinson's King of the Strip?
I don't know. Oh, that's this event, right?
What keeps bringing you back to King of the Strip?
What is? Oh, is that a microphone?
Come on.
Trying to hand me something here?
What keeps bringing you back to King of the Strip?
Camera shot. Oh, yeah, I really don't like being in front of the camera, by the way.
Oh, I'm still rolling. I'm not biting my nails, I swear. You get those little, like, daggers that come at the side of your nails. You just gotta, like, pick them out. Bites my nails again. Bye, have a great time.